All right, now we're going to use the sum and difference formula for tangent to derive an identity for a double angle formula for tangent. So the double angle formula for tangent would obviously be written as the tangent of 2x. To see what that is equal to, we are going to find the tangent of x plus x. Now, let's recall that the double angle sum formula, or not the double angle, I'm sorry, the sum angle formula for tangent, or adding two angles for the tangent, was taking the tangent of x, or the first angle, plus the tangent of the second angle. And I'll curve this so we don't have too much. There we go. And then that was over 1 minus the tangent of the first angle. In this case, it'll be x times the tangent of the second angle. Now, if I look at this, I can simplify this formula a little bit. Tangent in the numerator, tangent of x plus tangent of x, well, that's just 2 tangent of x. In the denominator, 1 minus tangent of x times tangent of x, that's just 1 minus tangent squared x. And from this, I get the double angle formula for tangent. Anytime I see tangent of 2x or twice an angle, that this is just equal to 2 tangent of x over 1 minus tangent squared x. So I've come up with the double angle identity for tangent using the sum angle identity for tangent. Now we're going to move on and we're going to verify these identities.